Welcome to an enthralling journey through time, where the robust threads of artificial intelligence weave a complex tapestry of our daily lives. From the innocuous recommendation of a movie on a lazy Sunday afternoon to the complex calculations driving stock market predictions, artificial intelligence, or AI is an invisible puppeteer orchestrating a symphony of interactions in our everyday existence. Our story begins in the late November of 2022 with the launch of an AI chatbot named Chat GPT by the not-for-profit artificial intelligence organization OpenAI. This technology, heralded as scary good by Elon Musk, co-founder of OpenAI, was quick to make its mark, amassing over 1 million users within the first 5 days of its release. Chat GPT proved versatile, lending its capabilities to various tasks from writing code to providing therapy. However, one must not forget that even the most brilliant diamond has its flaws. When prompted to pen a news story, Chat GPT accomplished the task in less than 10 seconds and with striking accuracy. The catch? The story was peppered with fabricated quotes from a CEO, highlighting the unsettling reality that these models prioritize plausibility over truthfulness. As we proceed along the timeline, we witness an interesting development. The launch of Chat GPT triggered a surge in the stock prices of various AI companies. Firms involved in aspects of AI, such as graphics processing chips, semiconductors, self-driving technology, and AI software suites, all enjoyed substantial gains in the aftermath of Chat GPT's release. Zooming out to a broader perspective, we can observe the profound impact of Chat GPT on society. Within a year of its debut, Chat GPT, with its user base of over 1 billion people, became the fastest growing app. It sparked a global conversation about the risks and benefits of AI, prompting governments around the world to regulate AI and address its challenges. The arrival of generative AI tools like Chat GPT also raised concerns about job displacement, misinformation, and potential manipulation of election outcomes. The education sector responded with hostility to Chat GPT, banning its use due to concerns about cheating. Similarly, authors and copyright holders expressed concerns about AI being trained on copyrighted materials without consent. Yet, amidst these concerns, OpenAI is expected to generate over $1 billion in annual revenue, underscoring the undeniable value of this technology. In conclusion, AI, embodied by tools like ChatGPT, is an intricate dance of promise and peril. It is a testament to humankind's technological prowess, yet it underscores our responsibility to wield this power judiciously. As we continue our journey into the uncharted territories of the future, it is imperative that we navigate the AI landscape with caution, ensuring that this technology serves as a tool for progress, not a weapon of deceit. From the birth of ChatGPT to its current impact, this journey has been a roller coaster ride. The key takeaways: AI is versatile, powerful, and pervasive. But with great power comes great responsibility. The challenge lies not in creating advanced AI, but in ensuring its ethical and responsible use. As we stand on the cusp of an AI-driven future, the path we forge from here will shape not just our lives, but the course of human history itself.